Hey, Brody here with BMOB Garage. I've got this Chevy Traverse here. It has an issue after you fill it up. It has a hard start. Now, you don't want to ignore this because if you ignore it, it could leave you stranded sometime. It could throw a check engine light, like this one actually has the check engine light as well. So don't ignore it. You don't want to get yourself stranded. It is most likely this part right here, a vapor canister purge valve solenoid. It's a mouthful, I know, but it's just a little part, and this guy could be your culprit. This will work for all other GM models that have this 3.6 liter engine in it. Buick Enclaves, Pontiacs have it, Cadillacs. Any GM model that has the 3.6 will probably have the same setup up to, I believe, the year 2017. So let's take a look at it and make sure that this is the problem first. So I will show you how to diagnose it real quick. First thing we want to do is take this cover off. It's pretty easy. Go ahead and pop this off your oil fill cap. Set that to the side, don't lose it. And then just gently pull up on this cover. Gently, he says. And this is the part right here. It's pretty easy to get to, as you can see. A little bit closer, 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 closer. So we will go ahead and pop off your vacuum line. Two little green buttons here. Squeeze them together. And then your electrical connection. These things can be a little bit stubborn. Just be careful with them. They are usually pretty brittle. And now we're going to start it up. And you'll be able to tell that there's something wrong with it just by putting your finger on it. And if it's sucking in on your finger, it's not working properly. It should be closed when it's running, but this one is open, so that is definitely the problem. You can also just take a little piece of paper and it'll hold it there. So that means there is definitely a problem with this, and that is the issue. It's pretty common with these GMs. You know, it's a cheap part, you know, 20-30 bucks, I think, somewhere around there is what I paid for mine. And it's just being held in by one bolt right here, and that's a 10 millimeter. And right here is the only thing that you're going to have to remove, and that is a 10 millimeter bolt. It can be a little bit tight. Because this right here, this little gasket, that's what holds it in. Yep. Just make sure you line it up where you can get the bolt back in. Just make sure it's snug. Don't over tighten it. Go ahead and put your hose back on, and it just clicks right in. And your electrical connection. Then we just put the cover back on. And the oil filler cap. So that's it. It's just as simple as that. Be sure to say thank you by hitting that like button. Until next time, be safe.